I'm Ben.
And I'm Blake. A fellow YouTube channel, RhettandLink, came up with the idea of caption fail.
Red. Just hold the phone up in the end of the index.
As you may know, YouTube has an automatic closed caption option. The thing is, these captions are often way off and very hilarious. So what we did was we wrote an original script and uploaded it on YouTube. Then we had YouTube put captions on it. Then we used that script to make another film. We uploaded that film on YouTube and used those captions for a third script. The results were pretty funny. Enjoy. Hey Blake, you in here?
Yeah, what do you want?
Hey, I can't get the microwave to work. Do you know how to use it?
Just have a turkey sandwich.
Well, I don't like turkey. I don't want to go out to eat. So my only option left is to make a plate of frozen taquitos. Do you know how to use the microwave?
I have no idea. Go read the manual.
You keep the manuals to your kitchen appliances? That's strange. So, can you help me find it?
As you can see, I am in the process of completing a very difficult game at the moment, and I do not have the time to devote to scouring the area for directional booklets.
Well, fine. If you're gonna be that way, I'll just disengage you from your game by turning off the television monitor.
Hey, that's rather rude. I would be much obliged to throw my stuffed Eevee at you.
Oof, oh, what the heck, man? All this over a plate of frozen taquitos? Fine, I'll figure it out myself.
Could have used the toaster. Man.
It here?
Yep, what he wants.
Exceed my with work, does it?
Stature sandwich.
Well, it elected he. I don't want to go out to eat. Slightly option left. That so was that he is unique. But wait.
I had no idea. Go read the manual.
Usually enables you to stop on it is estranged. So, really find it.
As you can see, I'm in the process of completing a very difficult given the bonus, and I do not have the time, 2 boats, for scouring the area for directional words.
Bye! If they are the only out taking about turning off the television monitors.
Hey, that's rather it would. Organized would like to go by starting the ACU.
Because! What the heck, man? Also critical of the keynote. Find out that you know myself.
To use the told, sir.
It here?
Yet what he wants.
Exceed my woodwork, does it?
Stature sandwich.
Well, elected he. Unlucky, slightly option left. That was that he is unique.
I had no idea. Going the manual.
Usually any of you to stop by is strange. So, really find it.
Presidency, on in the process of building a very difficult given the bonus, and I do not have the time, 2 boats, first guarantee, area for directional words.
Bye! It based on the out taking it out and not the television monitors.
Hey, that's brother. It would organize would like to go by starting the ACU.
And shots! But there have been! Also, critical of the keynotes. Find out that you know myself.
To use the told, sir!